Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. So here we have the Cardo Freecom 4X and a Sena 30K unit. Let's go ahead and turn on the Freecom X series. And we'll turn on the 30K. Perfect, so now we just take the Freecom 4X, put it in its normal intercom pairing mode. Pairing initiated. And we'll do the same for the 30K. Rider A pairing. This is native intercom pairing for both models. Intercom pairing. And we wait for them to find each other. Rider A ready. Awesome, these two units are connected to each other. And we can hear that connection and see the double blue flashing lights. So I can close the intercom from the Cardo side, activate it from the Sena side. Intercom is now open. If I tap the jog dial again, intercom is closed, and of course I can activate it on the Cardo side by tapping the intercom button one time. Intercom is open. These two units are paired with each other and connected for intercom. We know that that's been one of the most requested features, and to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements, so keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet, and know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.